how to get double XP in Bingo Blitz so you can level up faster, unlock rewards and get ahead in the game. So let's get started. So what is double XP? Double XP is a temporary boost that lets you earn twice the experience point for every bingo game. This helps you level up faster, unlock more rooms, earn extra rewards and bonus. So let's get started. Look for the double XP events. Bingo Blitz runs special events where this usually happens on weekends, during game anniversary or holidays. Some power-ups and bonus includes XP multiplayers. Occasionally, the game includes XP booster in daily deals or special bundles. Follow Bingo Blitz on social media. Sometimes double XP codes or announcements are shared on Facebook, Instagram. Join Bingo Blitz mailing list or in-app notification. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe, and press the bell icon for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.